There is an in the Odisha there is an Paradip, and then there is an I said Vishakhapatnam, and in the Goa Marmagaon, and in Bangalore के पास Mangalore port. These are the different ports in India, those who are exporting iron ore. So the important facts I said that 55% of iron ore produced exported to other country. Exported to other country. इसका मतलब क्या हमारे यहाँ क्या है? Our domestic demand is very less, yes or not? कि maximum extracted ore that we are what is an exporting. At the same time, ये तो negative point देख लिया. What is the positive point? By exporting iron ore, we can be able to get, I said that, forex. Yes or not? It will increase our, I said that, forex reserve, and that will help in again the development aspect of India. So the 55% of iron ore produced exported to other country, and it help in the development. First day हमने, when I was doing economic geography, I have said that the country having, I said that economic, मैं बताया था, the having the primary, secondary and tertiary. If the primary reserve is very high, there is a chance of getting what is I said that revenue through the exporting those minerals. So India has also good amount, therefore it is also, it helps in the development by the, instead of taking loan, they are taking money of their own. So iron ore exported to other country, and that is I said that from the Marmagaon and Mangalore port, exporting it to I said that European countries, and exporting to I said that Middle East countries, West Asia. Marmagaon, and from the Mangalore port they are exporting it to and then from the Paradip and Vishakhapatnam exporting it to Japan and South Korea. So it is going towards Japan and South Korea. And if I am talking about, so suppose I said that 100 kg total export, 100 kg is the total export, in which 75 kg is exporting to the only Japan. So 3/4 of the total export, 3/4 of total export of iron ore goes to, 3/4 of the total export of iron ore goes to, understood it? Japan. So it means to the European countries, Middle East and then South Korea. These are the countries, and then which coast is very much important, understood it? And you have to say later on why and how do these ports are exporting. इसका मतलब है कि नियर बाय मरमागांव पता ही, it is Goa. Goa, I have said that from the Goa to Jharkhand, याद होता है? Aryan current उड़ा from छत से from Goa to Jharkhand. So Goa is having iron ore. So shall I remove this? So this understanding, and you got that. If I said that 55% of produced exported, then the first it is, I said that revenue generating. फर्स्ट क्या कर रहा है ये? रेवेन्यू जनरेटिंग इन इंडिया. यस. विच हेल्प इन द डेवलपमेंट, विच हेल्प इन infrastructural development and other development. So we are exporting and getting revenue. Another aspect is that quality of steel production is, I said that less, therefore demand in the international market is less. The quality of produced steel is less. Quality of produced steel is what? Less. Therefore international demand in international market is also less. Demand in international market is also less. Therefore we are not producing more. Yes, therefore we are not producing more. Another, I said that therefore exporting, and then I said that demand in domestic market is also what? Less. हमारे इंडिया में भी इसका डिमांड क्या है? If you see the Villa steel plant, Bokaro steel plant and several other steel plants, their potential is very high but producing less. Understood? So demand in domestic market is, I said that, yes. These are the three factors we are produced. The 55% of produced iron ore is exported. What is the reason behind? The reason is this. These are the reasons. Understood? Shall I? Next one, I said that iron ore, ये तो आप लोगों ने देख लिया. It is the different ideas, basic ideas and different ideas related to iron ore in India. In which rock system, what are the types and how much it is being exported, which are the ports which are involved. I said that now iron ore distribution in India. First I said Karnataka. If you'll see in the Karnataka, Karnataka has two regions. First one I said that Baba Budan Hills Kudremukh, Kemangundi. This region, and it is nearby Chikmagalur district in Karnataka. And here we have in Karnataka, if I am saying that this is Kerala, this is Tamil Nadu, and here we have, so in the Karnataka, in this region, I said Karnataka, southern Karnataka, in the Karnataka plateau, Baba Budan Hills, Kudremukh Hills, Kemangundi, and this is the India's best, and there is a magnetite type of ore is available, and magnetite type of iron ore is available. Understood? So हमने कौन कौन सा आयरन ओर देखा, which is the region in the southern Karnataka? Baba Budan Hills, Kudremukh and Kemangundi. Second one, here it is, I said that Sandur range. Which region we have seen? Sandur range in the Bellary district. Bellary district. Sandur range in the Bellary district. Sandur range in Bellary district. First, second in Karnataka. And how can you remember this name that you have to also remember? I said that Karnataka, Baba Budan, Kudremukh, Kemangundi. How to remember? बाबा जो आज के डेट में बड़े ओल्ड हो जाते हैं, they do not have the teeth, उनके पास दांत भी नहीं है खाने के लिए, मतलब बुदबुदाते चलता रहता है उनका। बाबा क्या करते हैं? बुदबुदाते रहते हैं। लेकिन एक बार वो कूद गए कहीं पर, मतलब दिखा दिया कि आई एम पावरफुल। एक लड़की ने कुछ मांग लिया था, इसके चक्कर में वो कूद गए और उसको बोले क्या मांग लिया गुंडे ने, क्या मांग लिया? सो बाबा कूद गए। बाद में पता चला कोई मांग लिया था गुंडी ने कि भाई मुझे ये चाहिए, therefore he jumped. Understood? Baba Budan Hills, Kudremukh, and then I said that Kemangundi. In which district I said that? And then thereafter I am talking about Sandur range. Which one I said that? और जो आदमी बहुत ताकतवर बैल की तरह होगा, आयरन की तरह मजबूत होगा, और बैल आयरन की तरह मजबूत होता है, वो सिंदूर लगा सकता है। अंडरस्टूड? उसी को लगाने का हक होना चाहिए। सो आई सेड दैट Bellary district has, which one I said that? Sandur range. If I say that, and then in this region you can be able to see there is a Vishwasharaya, or you can say Bhadravati steel plant is there. Understood? Just in this region, Vishwasharaya, in the Simoga district nearby it, there is, I said that Bhadravati, or which steel plant is there? Vishwasharaya. Understood? And in the Bellary district there is an also steel plant is there, and then जो बैल सिंदूर लगा सकता है उसी को विजय मिलेगी, विजयनगरम. Which steel plant is there? Vijayanagaram steel plant. Vijayanagaram steel plant. Understood it? Karnataka, there is a Vishwasharaya steel plant. as well as Vijayanagaram, two important steel plants are there. So which are the two regions for iron ore reserve in Karnataka? First one I said that, कौन सा बोला? बाबा बुदान, कुद्रमुख, केमांगुंडी. बोल लो क्योंकि ये चीज़ें जब दिमाग में नहीं रहता है ना तो बहुत दिक्कत होती है और लोकेट नहीं कर पाते. एंड देयरफॉर वन टॉपिक विल बी एबल टू कंप्लीट इंडस्ट्रीज. इंडस्ट्रीज यू कैन बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. आई सेड दैट हमने क्या बोला? बाबा बुदबुदा रहा है, कूद गया, क्या मांग लिया गुंडी ने? केमांग गुंडी. एंड देयर इज अ विश्वेश्वरैया एंड भद्रावती स्टील प्लांट. अंडरस्टूड? जो कि 1923 में स्टैब्लिश हुआ, बट इट बिकम द पार्ट ऑफ स्टेट इन 1962. एंड देन देयर इज एन, आई सेड दैट on the Sandur range in Bellary district in the Vijayanagar steel plant. Can you remember Sandur range? Yes. और यहाँ पे Vijayanagaram steel plant is there. Understood? And in 1982 it has been formed. So we have seen in the Karnataka, and you can be able to see why Mangalore port is exporting iron ore. Understood? समझ में आ गया? Why? Because from the nearby Chikmagalur there is an iron ore reserve is there. Understood it? Therefore the Mangalore port we are exporting. Next one we are going to see in Odisha. Second one I said that Odisha in Odisha, if I am watching,